YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with some more quick fixes on Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Dorado suction side pool cleaner meant for above ground pools. Stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So again, today we're going to do some quick fix videos for you on Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Dorado suction side pool cleaner. And in this video, we're actually going to show you guys how to replace the idler gear kit inside. So if you guys want to know how to get access to all of the internals of this cleaner, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We've got a full playlist of tearing this cleaner apart from the outside in. For today's video, I've already removed the screws. I'm just going to go ahead and jump in and remove the internals of the cleaner here. Slide the brush ring and the shroud off to the side. And go ahead and remove the oscillator chamber cap for you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the entire oscillator and axle bar here. It's got the cam on it and the axle blocks. Go ahead and slide that out. So a part of the idler gear kit is these two specific gears that run on their own little axle here attached to the cleaner, as well as the third gear that is in between on the oscillator main axle frame here. So this gear right here is actually your third gear in your idler gear kit, which actually helps spin this at the same time. So when you purchase the idler gear kit, you'll get all three of these gears. So really easy access to the one gear. Once you've actually removed the axle bar, you can go ahead and remove the blocks, take the cam off of one side, and then access that third singular gear off of the actual axle. To get this one off, you actually do need a small Phillips head screwdriver. So, got one right here for you guys. So you're gonna actually need to take off this screw. So go ahead, unscrew this. This actually feeds through the axle into the actual frame itself, so you do need to remove it all the way. It's not a pressure fit like some of the other ones, so you do need to remove the screw all the way. Then once you can go ahead and lift up on these gears, you're going to go ahead and get this axle with the screw out, which you can actually purchase these two parts separately. So if your gears are in good shape, but you're worried about maybe the screw went missing when you were trying to fix it, or this axle's running into problems, it's not smooth, something happened to it and you want to replace that, you can actually replace that itself. So make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We'll take you guys to that directly on our website. But once you get that off, you've got access here to your entire idler gear kit. They are identical gears, so there is no way to mess up how or which one goes where. They're all going to be able to function the same. The biggest thing is always about direction. So again, you're looking for the smooth side to meet up with the other rigid side here in your oscillator piece. So once you get your new gear, you're gonna go ahead, slide that on, which will actually slide on the new cam as well. So as you guys can see, everything has a point of contact. You want that in order for the cleaner to function correctly. Once you guys actually have your axle bar out here, do the same thing. Go ahead and slide this in. Slide this in. Drops in there perfectly for you guys. And then you're gonna go ahead and use your screwdriver again. Reattach the screw to the frame. Always, always, always use a hand screwdriver. Do not use a power tool, especially when you're dealing with plastic and metal. You always take the chance of breaking the plastic, which can be a much more expensive fix. So only hand tighten. It's merely meant to keep those gears together so that everything stays nice and tight down to the frame. So you need to use a drill. Once you get those tightened back in there, go ahead and attach your axle blocks again, and then you're gonna go ahead and gently slide in the entire axle again, and then you're gonna make sure that as you rotate, everything's meeting contact again here. So this idler gear is actually touching inside on this one. This idler gear is touching in between these other two, and then you actually have your long run, your actual cam is touching the edge of the other one, which actually helps function the lift brush. So today we showed you guys how to get access to your idler gear kit, which is a total of 3 gears, identical gears in 2 different locations on the cleaner. I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe. We've got a ton more videos coming your way. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below. We got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.